Hello everyone, Spaceman20 here. We are beginning Phase 5 in Mars Colony Challenger. So we're just going to take a look at our objectives real quick. For Phase 5, we need to start growth in the fish tanks, take 5 surface samples to the south of our base. Algae units need to be at density 3, worm beds density 3. So we just really got to get that stuff started, so... let's see. There's nothing in the garage this time that we really need to get set up here. So, as usual, the first thing we're going to do is check the air pressure at the scrubber because a new section of the base has been added. Let's see. There's a lot of carbon dioxide right now, so I'm going to go ahead and use the ELS, Emergency Life Support module. So let's go ahead and grab an MRE, actually 2 because I'm running really low on food, and then take a drink. I should probably turn those lights off to conserve power while I'm thinking about it. Alright. And then from here, let's get these pumps running. And then check up on our oxygen supply real quick. We're going to need some more later on. And then the emergency life support module has been moved over here. So we're going to go ahead and close that door, and then, not this one, this one. We're going to up the air pressure, and obviously it says danger. Control T to take off the helmet, eat food, and then we're going to go ahead and use the bathroom. Bad time to quit, please finish your business. I love that. Alright, so once this is done... Alright, Control T to put the helmet back on, power up the UVA suit, because the air pressure is still dangerous right now. Or, okay, the pressure is, no, it's the air mix is mostly fine, it's the air pressure that's the problem. That'll kill us if we don't take, or if we take our helmet off. Alright, let's see. Just check up on the separator. We're gonna need more fuel and oxygen. And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and check up on the temperature, which is looking alright. So we don't need the suit's heater right now. And this is the new section here of the base, the biology section that was added since the last phase. Going back over here, we go into the farm section. So our objectives here are to basically set everything up, nothing new. So we've got the worm beds, and then the algae right here, as well as the mushroom beds. Let's see here. Take 1 worm starter. I've done this before, I mean, duh. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the, let's go ahead and start with the nutrient. And then, on second thought actually, before we start, I'm just gonna go ahead and put as much nutrient in both of them as possible. Alright, these are prepped. Let's see. I don't think this goes in here. Yeah. Not quite ready to put that in yet. Either way, let's just go ahead and get the nutrients for the worm beds put in. There's 1. and then the other one goes in here. And we're going to need water for these. Whoops. Alright, nutrient is ready. Now we're going to need some water. Good thing we had a full tank earlier. Let's see. How much is in this? 4 gallons. Alright. This thing always creeps me out right here. This is the bioextractor where you take fish and then this thing basically chops them up and yeah. Okay, let's see. I think you only add 0.5 water. Okay, yeah. So we're only going to add 2 because we don't want to overwater this. And then the same thing goes here. There's that. And then I am going to go ahead and empty this can into here. I should have done those 2 first. Oh well, whatever. Anyways, this one's ready for the worm stock. So the density is now there, and then we're going to grab one more worm. Actually, let's just go ahead and put all of them in. So we're going to put one more in here, and then another one in here. Alright, there we go. Now the interesting thing is that in real life, worms might actually be a useful source of protein for Mars colonies, because they're pretty nutritious. Of course, when you cook them, you wouldn't want to eat a worm alive. So, alright, let's go ahead and take a couple of gallons to fill this thing up. Alright, full water can, which is 5 gallons. Wish you could run in this game. Though running in a heavy spacesuit might not be very fast or efficient, because it would take a lot of energy to do. Alright. Just double check. Do not overwater. 0.5. Alright, that one's prepared, so we can go ahead and throw this mushroom in. And then let's just throw one more mushroom in. Boom. And then 0.25 water. Throw that in. Throw that in. Alright. And then here, let's empty this. Gonna need some more water, obviously. And then the next step will be to check the algae types, because you can make a lot of interesting stuff with those. So let's see. H2O, duh. Full can. Let's go ahead and empty this into the other tank. Looks like our air pressure's getting up there, which is good. I'm gonna turn these lights off. Don't need them today, gotta conserve energy. Let's see here. Add H2O, boom. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and add some nutrient. That takes care of that. We're going to need some more water for these. But I believe... Let's go ahead and get some medicine. And then... Let's see. I need to go ahead and check the biomodule, or biolab real quick, to see what other options are available. Let's see. Fertilizer and fish. Okay, I guess we'll be doing fertilizer then. Wait, I want to double check that because there's two different types of fertilizer. Let's see. Algae N makes algae nutrients. Oh, duh. Okay. I'm gonna go back and double check. Let's see. Let's go with plastic, just for later. And then I'm gonna need to get some more water. And then I should be able to get fertilizer from the bio bin, because when I start taking the compost and stuff, in the organic level, I can make organic fertilizer, which then I can add to the algae to make algae nutrients. Full can. I'm gonna go check on the separator real quick. These aren't running. And then we're gonna need to get our water supply refilled. Portable libs tester. I'm gonna have to clear the toilet's bio waste out soon. Let's see. And then we do need to start the fish tanks too. Water level 7.0. Let's do this one. Alright. Power this on and get the temperature up. And then let's go ahead and drop this one in. And drop this one in. And there's that. The algae growth has been started. So now it's time to start with the fish food. So let's go ahead and put 2 in each. And get the heater started. Double check the food again. These fish will start eating each other if you don't supply them with food. And then I believe we have 2 more. Yes. So just 1 more per. Fish tank. Alright. Fish tanks have been prepared. Now let's go ahead and get some fish eggs. Oh, well, those are frog eggs. They don't count, obviously. Information about objects is under construction. No, it's not. Bullfrog. Add. Trout goes here. I gained biology level 1. And then catfish here and bass here. Boom. Wait, can you even put eggs back once you have them? Yeah, you can, okay. What happens if I try to put another one in? Wonder. Okay, yeah, that section's full. So you can only put 1 of each in. Let's just put those back. And there's that. So our first objective has been completed. The others are working along nicely. Let's see. Probably should go ahead and check on the plants real quick. I'll have to come back and refertilize these later. What about the north greenhouse? These ones are doing okay at the moment. Once I complete this phase, I'll have to come back later. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and empty this into the algae tanks again. Just so we can keep the water levels topped off. Alright, there's that. Okay, let's go ahead and take the portable libs too close to other objects. Oops. That'll work. I'm gonna clear out the toilet real quick. Removing the bio-waste. Bio-waste. Alright, that's been cleared out, and let's take this over to the waste container, or compost. Alright, add waste, and this is now empty. The bio-waste is now at 5. Let's just... too close to other objects. Gotta love that. Alright. There's that. Looks like the separator shut down. Probably should clean off the solar panels too. Actually, maybe I should just leave the that off until it's full. What's our power level at? 99. Looks like we're good. Alright, let's go ahead and charge our EVA suit. Oxygen is full. Alright, and then grab the portable libs tester and set our temperature. 5.29 looks good. And then airlock, close the door behind us. Balancing pressure and airlock as usual, please wait. Alright, and then check the fuel supply on the rovers. Oh. Okay, this one's looking good. The other one, I don't think so. Let's just go ahead and update our map with the sample sites. So we're gonna have to go ahead and take 5 to the south this time. So let's go ahead and get this done. Might be going a little over time here. I'm sure I'll be fine. I mean, it's not like too many videos go over or get penalized for going over 20 minutes. I'll get this done fast. Actually, I don't think there's any penalty for going over 20 minutes. I just don't like to go over 20 usually. Keeps the videos a little bit shorter. Alright. So I'm thinking we might want to do this in the valley. Because if we do it there, then we might be a little more likely to have some resources there that, rather than up on like a giant hill. Okay. Hit G to take a sample. Test this. Tetrahedrite. Whatever that is. I'm learning to be a geologist in college right now, but I'm still pretty early in my classes as far as the core ones go for geology. Let's see here. I guess we took that a little too close to the base. We're gonna have to go somewhat further, I think. Luckily, we should have enough fuel in this rover. I can't say the same for Rover 0, as the other one's called. Alright. I still have yet to see any caves in this map, as we saw the last time. I think this would be far enough. Let's just go ahead and take the sample here. This one has no value, so it's not very useful to us, unfortunately. I guess we'll have to go a little bit further. If you're wondering, those mountains there are the border of the map. Which we are obviously getting quite close to now. Alright, let's go ahead and take our next surface sample. No value. Unfortunate. Alright. Let's try here. Nope. Nothing. Okay. We're getting very close to the edge of the map now. And we've lost communication with the base for the minute. Not a massive issue. I mean, we obviously know where we are. Okay, well, what about taking a sample here? Yeah, I can't sample while moving. Duh. Oh! There we go. I couldn't move for a second. Still useless. Alright. There's gotta be something around here. Alright, how about here? Nope, still nothing. Maybe we'll run into a cave finally, although I doubt it. You know, let's try on top of this hill, see if we get anything. Unless the rover doesn't want to go up there, which seems to be the case. Come on, you're called Hercules for a reason. Nope, this rover really doesn't want to go up the hill. Too steep. Alright, fine. Alright, let's check for a sample here then. Come on. Nope. Wonder if it's because I'm too close to the edge of the map. let's see if we can go up the hill now. Hooray, we made it! Somewhat. Okay, sample test again. I can't. Okay. Probably nothing. Come on. Nope. Man, this area really seems to be quite dry as far as samples are. I guess we might as well just start heading back to the base then. We still have the right side of the map to check. This is an interesting shot. Alright, I'm going to start heading towards the right side of the map. Whoa, speed warning. Or where went up there, not an issue though. Wish this rover went a little bit faster. But I mean, it's Mars, so you're probably driving over rocks and stuff, and you could break your suspension system if you go too fast. So alright, let's go ahead and try here. Come on. Alright, well at least we got something. Finally. Okay, so I guess don't sample near the edge of the map then. Because there's nothing useful there. That's the communications tower that we did at Phase 3. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna test for another sample. That's the exact same thing. Just gonna go ahead and update the sample site map real quick. Tetrahedrite. Let's see, let's go ahead and start moving to the east. Unfortunately, this would be much the same way as in real life, because you'd have to drive around in a rover and start sampling rocks and stuff. Okay, let's try this one. Nothing here. Alright. Let's see. Unfortunately, I've still got a cough from when I was sick. I am running out of time for this video. I'm going to be going over the 30-minute mark. Tetrahedrite. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2 of phase 5. Alright, peace.